I guess the most important thing is not to overextend myself.
I actually do not have a car. I walk everywhere.
Stay prayed up and stay connected with God, and then everything else will fall in place.
Here at the nation's longest-running Black family reunion in Ohio,
that celebrates, uplifts, and encourages the Black family.
many say they are doing everything possible to physically stay well.
So I practice drinking a ton of water every single day.
This new study in the Annals of Internal Medicine found what Dr. Thomas Shockley, the Chief Health Equity Officer of Ohio's Tri-Health, also told me. These things matter when it comes to bringing down numbers that play an important role in heart health.
As an individual, it's very important that you take an active role.
Well, Black Americans were 54% more likely to die from heart disease compared to white Americans. When you adjusted for clinical risk factors such as obesity, diabetes, and high blood pressure, it dropped to 34%. Lifestyle factors such as smoking and exercise, adjust for that, and it drops to 31%.
Can you tell me what you do for exercise?
Well, I get on the treadmill for about 30 minutes, and then I do strength exercises.
But what's really remarkable was when you adjusted for what the CDC now calls the social determinants of health.
It's having access to a good house, healthy food, transportation, good jobs, good education. And if you look across zip codes, you'll see that those resources are distributed inequitably.
So much so that when researchers adjusted for these factors such as housing, transportation, and access to health care, the differences between deaths in Black people from heart disease and white people was zero.
That if we attack those social determinants of health, we improve the outcomes in cardiovascular health and life expectancy.
Dr. Shockley also says don't underestimate how small changes really add up. Even if you can't change all of those lifestyle factors or all the social things, just changing a few could keep your heart healthy, he says, for a long time. I'm medical reporter Liz Bonus. Back to you.
And this weekend, if you want to learn more about your health, you can get dozens of free health screenings at the Black Family Reunion at Sawyer Point. We have a full list of events inside the digital version of this story at local12.com.
You can always find our Local 12 stories right here on YouTube. Don't forget to tap subscribe, and then you can get all the notifications.